you see that? There you go. We are boiling the egg. Can you see the smoke coming out?
Yes.
Please, keep a distance, keep a distance. We are boiling the egg. We are boiling the egg. Keep a distance, keep a distance, keep a distance, keep a distance. Calm down. Calm down like this. It's working. Can you see vapor coming out? Can you see vapor coming out? We are boiling the egg already. Can you see the vapor? Oh, we're boiling it. We're boiling it. So let's see after 5 minutes and see if our egg is boiled. We can't eat it. It's a chemical egg. Hey, can you see vapor coming out like if you are boiling something at home, right? So that's it. We are boiling the egg. Boiling it. We're boiling it. First, we touch the body of that baby first. We improve the temperature from 0 degree, though it's not 0 degree. Because it's hot water, it's ice block that can give you. You understand now? It's ice block that can give you 0 degree, right? So, but I believe the temperature of the water should be around 12 or less than 20 degrees anyway. So, but it has risen to 20, that's why you're, or 200, that's why you're seeing the vapor coming out. That's 100 degrees already. Can you see that?
Yes.
Is it boiling?
Yes.
The one we did in the class, I made it light so that you people will not run. This one can burn someone's hand. That's the truth. So don't touch it. Thank you. Now let's see my head. Are you seeing it's boiling?
Yes.
Is it boiling? Yeah, it's rice. Let's eat the rice. We can just eat the rice. Eating the rice is allowed. Eating the rice is allowed. So when you want to do it at home, this will give you a better reaction. You understand what I mean now? The reason why we use this is because it is light and it will rise, the temperature will rise quickly, it will burn fast. That was what we used in the class, right?
Yes.
High. You understand now? We didn't make it to be that high and we made it safe because this one it burns faster and it is not that safe with children. That's why I said you should keep your distance. Just the body. How was it? Wow, marvelous. You are my beloved son. Check this now. It's very hot. Open it. Want to open it, right? Wow, you can even see smoke coming out. Yes. Evidence to show that our egg is cooked is number 1. I think we need spoon, but let me try to use this to bring out our egg. Wow. Does it cook?
Yes.
Does it cook?
Yes.
It cooks. It's ew anyway. It's not something you can eat. I've told you, you can't eat it. Does it cook?
Yes.
Does it cook?
Yes.
It cooks, right?
Yes.
Now let's try to open it to see if it cooks. Oh, it cooks.